Hey everyone, this is Mahesh. If you are curious about what JavaScript is all about, you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to see the dynamic world of JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that's primarily used to make interactive websites. JavaScript is the most popular and high-demand programming language around the world. It is a lightweight, flexible, and powerful programming language. JavaScript was invented by Brennan A., an American computer programmer and technology executive, in the year 1995. He developed a new scripting language for Netscape Communications Corporation in just 10 days. At first, the language was originally called Mocha, but it was renamed LiveScript and finally renamed as JavaScript. In 1997, due to JavaScript's rapid growth and popularity, Netscape handed JavaScript to the European Computer Manufacturers Association, called ECMA, to be properly maintained and managed. JavaScript is the backbone of web development technology. It is the secret behind dynamic content, responsive design, and engaging features that brings web pages to life. JavaScript is a programming language which is used for both front-end and back-end development. JavaScript is used to create websites, mobile applications, web applications, game development, and user interfaces. From interactive features to dynamic content, JavaScript is the magic behind modern web development. JavaScript has the ability to manipulate the document object model, also called as DOM. This allows developers to dynamically update and change the content and structure of web pages and allow great interactive user experience. JavaScript ecosystem is rich with frameworks and libraries. Whether if you want to create a full-stack web application, JavaScript has huge frameworks and libraries collection like React.js for building user interfaces, AngularJS for building powerful web applications, Vue.js for building progressive front-end development, Node.js for backend and server-side applications. These frameworks and libraries help developers to build powerful tools and web applications. JavaScript is a powerful programming language and has everything a developer can create robust and scalable applications with ease. JavaScript is playing one of the most important roles in web development. It is one of the most popular programming language in the industry. It is the driving technology behind the companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, Uber, eBay, Twitter, and many more. You can learn JavaScript and start your career in web development technology. If you enjoyed this video and fascinated about the world of JavaScript, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone, and let me know on which JavaScript project you are working on. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.